Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's video I actually brought you another arbitrage trick where how you could actually make money from arbitrage with Binance, even as the cryptocurrency space is actually in a dip. Okay, you can actually make money using this trick. Okay, so you guys all are welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are joining us for the first time, if you're interested in cryptocurrency, arbitrage and affiliate marketing, please do well to actually like this video, hit the subscribe button and share this video to your friends and family, those you think will benefit from this video as well. Okay, so we are actually heading for a very massive a goal in this YouTube channel. So do well to follow along as we are going to be making money together. So guys, in this very YouTube video, I actually found out a trick that will actually help you make up to 10k if you're a Nigerian, 10 to 20 US dollars minimum every day. Okay, so you have to actually watch this video very carefully in order to see how this trick works. Okay, so before we go further with this video, okay, there is a Forex trading class that's going to begin very soon. It is actually going to start on the next month. It's a 3-month intensive Forex trading class. For those of you who are interested in Forex trading, you are actually going to be taught how to the market structure, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and a lot of things, guys. You can actually start from scratch and learn this crypto thing under 3 months with this very magnificent and a professional in the Forex trading world. Okay, this is actually coming to you at a very low fee. A lot of people are charging up to 100 US dollars for this, but this is coming at a very low fee of just 30,000 Nigerian naira. And those of you who are living outside the shores of Nigeria, you can actually pay $50, which is an equivalent of 30,000 naira. Okay, so trading signals will actually be available. Lifetime mentorship is actually available as well, and a lot of other things that you could actually gain from joining this class. Okay, class begins on August, and it is going to last for 3 months. Okay, so do well to pay because the slots are very little. So it is going to be on a first come first serve basis. Okay, so try as much as you can. I'll be dropping you the link to the host's WhatsApp on the description of this video, so do well to hit him up, pay your fees, talk to him, and then he was going to explain to you further. Okay, so that being said, let's go straight down into today's video. So like I said, I brought you another trick that will actually make you money in the crypto space, even as we are experiencing a very massive dip. Okay, so I brought you this update that will actually make you money. So how does this thing works? How are we going to actually make this money from this arbitrage trick? So that's what I'll be showing you guys in a jiffy. So guys, that being said, what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to get this arbitrage trick. Okay, so first of all, you need a Binance account, a verified Binance account. As you can see, mine is verified over here. As you can see that it is verified. So you get a verified Binance account, and then the next thing you want to need is your USDT. You have your USDT in your Binance. How do you get USDT? For those of you who don't have USDT in your wallet, you go to P2P trading. Once you're here on P2P trading, you actually go to your filter. This is USDT. As you can see, buy USDT. You click on filter, you input, let's use 20,000 naira as an example. Once you input your 20,000 naira, you click on yes. Okay, you're going to wait for a little bit. It's going to change, and then it is going to bring to you all those who are willing to sell up to 20,000 naira. Okay, so here we are. These are people who are actually willing to sell for 20,000 naira and above. Okay, so we have 5,000 to 20,000, which is selling us at 615.9 naira. Okay, 616. So let's say USDT as of today is 616 naira. Okay, so once you purchase your USDT, which is very simple to do, you actually click on buy. Once you buy, you're actually going to make payments to the vendor's bank account, and then your USDT wallet will actually be credited. Your Binance USDT wallet will actually be credited. Okay, that being said and done, what we're going to do right now is go back to the main trick. Okay, so once you're back to your Binance after your USDT purchase, you click on trades. Okay, once you click on trades, what you want to do is actually leave this on limits. Okay, you have to leave this on limits, not on market, because we'll be using the limit sale. Okay, so once you leave that on limit, you're actually going to be buying the assets, and then we're going to sell it. But we're going to do that on limit sales and limit sale, buy and sell. Okay, so how is this going to work? So what we're going to do, right, first of all, you have to check on the this price, this very place. As you can see, this very area, you can see it is actually changing. It means it has a very high volume of trading, has a very high trading volume of today. So you can actually use any token that actually has a very high trading volume. Okay, so how do we check that? We can actually check multiple tokens, and then you find out which one has a very high trading volume. The ones that are actually changing very rapidly are those ones who are actually having a very high volume. Okay, so this is actually Ethereum/USDT. Okay, you can actually use XRP. Let's use XRP USDT. As you can see, it is here. So this is XRP/USDT. As you can see, it is actually having a high trading volume as well. This is a very high trading volume. So but what we're going to be using for this very one is TRS. Okay, that's which is thrown TRS/USDT. So once you click on TRS/USDT, let's wait for it a little bit to load, and let's check the trading volume for today. Okay, so we're still waiting for it to load. The network is very bad. I'm sorry about the network. Okay, the network is very bad right now, so let's just wait for it a little bit to load. Once we're done with that, we're going to go back straight into what we're supposed to do. Okay, so guys, as you can see right now, this is it, a very high volume, trading volume for today. You can see TRS trading very fast, so and rapidly. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? That's the question for today. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is actually we're going to buy on limit buy, and we're going to sell on limit sell. For example, let's say, okay, I have 10 USDT here, so I'm going to actually buy it right now. I'm just going to buy for 10 USDT. So let's say we have a limit sell. We have a limit of you can change this to we want to buy TRS at 0.06460. Okay, so if we're buying it at that amount, we're going to put USDT 100 USDT, so we're going to be getting 155 at that amount. Okay, so we're going to be getting 155 TRX at that amount. Okay, 155.8 TRS. So we're going to be getting, that's what we're going to be getting once we buy it, once we set our limit to this. So once TRS drops to 0.06460, this trade is automatically going to buy. So how is it going to happen? We're just going to click on buy here. Once I click on buy, you see that my order will be set, and then we'll continue with the video. So once it hits my buy target, it buys TRS for me at that very particular price. Then I come back to this place, and then I click on sell. Once I click on sell, then I will actually impute how much I want to sell it limit. So I could actually put it at 0.06490. Okay, so if I'm going to put it at that price, so I'm just going to impute 155.8. okay, so you can see that I've actually made you can see that I will actually make around 0.1 USDT. okay, which is because I am using $10 US, okay, because I'm using 10 USDT. So what we're going to do now is we just go back to buy. So I'm just showing you to see that this is actually profitable because it has a very high volume. There is a chance that it is going to happen as predicted. Okay, so I'm just going to go on buy, and I've set my limit to yes, so and 6. okay, let's make it 7.0. okay, or rather let's make it 8. Once we make it 8, and we're buying it at 100% of my USDT, so we're going to get 155.8. so I click on buy here. You wait and see that the order will be placed. Now guys, as you can see, the order has been placed. As you can see right here, this is it, TRS slash USDT. This is the time, as you can see, 9:51 a.m. okay, so amount and price. Okay, so we are going to be buying it at 0.06460, okay, and then we're going to be getting amount of TRS we're going to be getting is 155.8. okay, so once we get this 155.8, we're going to actually once it gets to that point, once it falls to that point, we're going to actually buy TRS. It gets our TRS, then we'll come back here to sell. Once we come back here to sell, we're going to input how much we want to sell it at. Okay, so once we input how much we want to sell it out, let's say we're going to sell it at let's say we're going to sell it at 0.05 0.0656500. okay, so let's say we're going to sell it at this price. Amount of your TRX is 155.8. okay, 155.8 TRX, so we're getting 0.1 USDT because we're using $10. okay, so if you're using up to $100 or $200 or $300, we're going to be getting up to $3 to $4 for each of these things we're going to be performing. okay, so that being said, let's make a calculation and check how much we could actually make from this arbitrage if we're actually using 300 USDT. So guys, so we actually made we're actually going to make 0.11 USDT for $10 trade. okay, so what we're going to do right now is $300, or let's say $400 divide by 10, which is actually 40. So what we're going to do is the profit we're going to be making for 10 USDT, we're going to multiply it by 40, which is 40 times 0.11 USDT. okay, so we are actually going to be making $4.4 USDT per trade if we're using a 400 USDT. okay, so for a lot of people, you are seeing that this is actually a little, but because you're actually going to be doing it multiple times, and it is actually unlimited, and that is why I asked you guys to actually go for trades that actually have high trading volumes, in order for the trades to be triggered immediately, and then you make your profit. A lot of people have been doing it, and I'm actually doing it. That I'm actually brought you this arbitrage trick in order for you to make a little money even at the time of this dip. It is very, very necessary and very, very important that you actually make little by little money in order to use for buying your dips and to maintain anything you want to maintain. okay, so this is actually very, very necessary for you to note that you are actually going to be making a price prediction. okay, so if you are actually not good at price predicting, you can see the red signals here are for those who are selling. You can actually follow whichever price you want to follow here. okay, so these people who are here right now are actually buying. So if you want to buy, you can actually choose whichever figure you want to buy at here. These are signals of people who are buying. These are those who are selling. For you who don't know how to predict the price, it is very, very simple, and it is very, very profitable. okay, because you're not risking your money. You're not actually going to risk your money. For this trade, I can cancel it whichever time I want, and my money will be in my wallet. okay, so this is actually what I brought you guys at this very point. Do well to hit the subscribe button if you actually enjoyed this video and you actually want more of this. So until next time, guys, I wish you good luck in all your cryptocurrency investment, your arbitrage trading today, and until next time, guys, please stay safe.